So, nakita nyo po yun, yung magulang po nagbisita po sa Ontario. Kaya lang po, nagkasakit nga, diba? Nagkasakit, which is, meron silang dapat na bayaran na bill na $96,000. Ang masama nito, kabayan, na-deny sila sa insurance nila, hindi babayaran ng insurance. Kasi daw bakit? Pag meron ka daw palang sakit sa puso, hindi pala makiklaim yung ano mo. Dapat pala, since the start pala, nag-apply ka ng insurance mo, dapat daw dinideclare mo na lahat ng sakit mo. So, yun yung na-deny siya. Pero, dahil tinulungan sila ng isang news na, ewan ko kanong klaseng news yun, CTV News ata, tinulungan sila na bayaran yung ano nila, yung bill nila, diba? Ang galing. Diba? God is good all the time. Panoorin nyo ito, kabayan.
When she ended up in the hospital, her claim was denied. She was told she had a pre-existing condition which made the policy null and void. Dawn was admitted to Hamilton General. There she was hospitalized for almost 3 weeks and placed on a ventilator. The family had purchased a basic Super Visa travel insurance plan with coverage up to $100,000. But after John was treated, it was determined she had a pre-existing condition and her claim was denied. The family was told, "You are not eligible for coverage under this policy if you have ever been diagnosed with congestive heart failure." The family was told without coverage, they must pay medical bills totaling more than $96,000. Bills, which was great news for the family.
We're really grateful to Pat Foran and the entire CTV team for...
Kabayan, na masasabi ko lang, kung may sakit na yung magulang nyo, tas gusto nyo papuntahin dito sa Canada, consider the health, kabayan. Wala namang masamang pumunta as long as kaya pa nila. Kasi ako, ayoko nang papuntahin dito yung magulang ko. Kasi nga, baka mamaya pagdating sa eroplano, tapos yung weather sa Canada, baka mamaya hindi nila kaya mag-adapt, diba? Iba-iba tayo ng senaryo, pero ang dami, sa tagal ko dito sa Canada, ang dami kong nakitang magulang na nagbakasyon lang dito, tapos meron nangyaring di maganda, tapos nawala na sila. Nagbakasyon lang, gusto lang makita. Syempre, gusto natin ipapila sa magulang natin, pero sad to say, meron mga talagang nangyayari na hindi magagandang pagkakataon. Kaya, kaibigan, consider the health ng magulang nyo bago nyo sila dalhin dito. Maigi na yung okay sila sa Pilipinas, diba? Kaysa dali mo dito, tapos magkakaganon pala. Good luck po sa lahat po ng kumukuha ng magulang. And again po, i-check nyo po sa insurance. I-declare nyo po lahat ng sakit nila, kung meron man. Para po pagdating ng panahon, kung sakali man may mangyari, pero knock on wood, wag naman po sana, kabayan, wag naman po sana ma-deny sa mga claims nyo. Good luck po. And remember, laging may insurance. Pag kukunin nyo ang kahit sino mang kapatid nyo, o nanay nyo, natatay nyo, laging merong insurance. Kasi sa Canada, insurance, it's matter here in Canada, kabayan.